So I have a new travel bag from either it's BlackVoyage or BlackVoyage. I guess Voyage sounds a little fancier. Anyway, this is a TSA approved travel bag, carry-on bag. You can use it for overnight. You can also use it for traveling on the airlines. And it also has a vacuum system so you can fit a bit more things in it. And it's also waterproof, which is really nice. So right here, you're going to see your standard TSA lock. So you can lock this up and keep it from being opened. You're also going to see that there are waterproof zippers on every zipper pretty much. So we'll start off with this one at the top where you can store several of your little things. There's also a little keychain built in here that you can remove and put on, so you can always put your keys in here if you want. You got a mesh bag in here or a mesh lining that you can store some stuff. This also has a really soft fabric material on the inside. And this one is a waterproof zipper as well. And then you have your main zipper. So let's go ahead and open that one. And on the inside, we got quite a bit of storage space here. So here you can keep a lot of your toiletries, or you can put your socks, or whatever you want to put here. Then you do have this pocket up here where you can also store some things. And these are both plastic. And this one's all plastic, so you can store like your wet stuff up here. Anything that might possibly leak maybe. Now what's pretty cool is that this has this Vortex vacuum seal technology. I'll show you the vacuum here in just a moment. You also want to make sure that your zippers are fully closed. That's what's going to keep them waterproof. So even the inside is waterproof, just like the outside. This one has this double handle, and this one's a little harder to open because it is also airtight in order to do the vacuum. You want to make sure that's all the way closed when you do the vacuuming. And I can just shove a few different things. I'll put a couple different shirts. Then we want to close this up. Make sure it's all the way closed. You'll also see that there is a see-through window once you have stuff in there, so you can actually see your clothing. And then we have our little vacuum spot. And this does come with a little rechargeable vacuum. You also do get a little baggie that also comes with some attachments for it. And a little charge cord. And then we can vacuum up all the extra air in there, which is also going to make it a little bit tighter and be able to fit a little bit more. And like I said, you have all these attachments where you can use it on different types of things as well. You don't have to use it just for this bag, so a little extra. But now we have some clothes in here that are vacuum packed, and just gives it a little extra space. Plus it will also keep it drier. And you can still fit some other things in here as well. I can also fit quite a bit more in that before we vacuum it. Now this one also does have the expansion zipper, so you can hit that. Oh, that's not it. Now this one also does have an expansion zipper, so you can pull that around, and just like a suitcase, it's going to allow it to expand out, and you can fit even more in here. And then we do have buckles for some extra security. Now another thing that this one has is that you can actually put a charger, or you can put a brick in here, and you have plugs, a type C and a type A, so you can charge all your devices on the go. You don't have to worry about finding an outlet anywhere, just have a brick with you. And then if we open up this side, this is where you're going to be able to put your laptop, your tablets. You also put that charger. Here's the cord for it. So you can put your brick in here. You can always put it in the pocket and plug it in. It's also got a little bit of length on it, so you can pull that out some. You got room, like I said, for your tablet, your MacBook, or your laptop. So we have a MacBook Pro 16-inch, which you can see it fits it really well. Even has plenty of space. You could probably fit like a really large gaming one in here. There's plenty of space where you could fit an iPad in there as well. So it is a pretty deep, pretty thick pocket. You can fit some smaller tablets in this one. That one's a little too large to fit in there. But then you could have this all closed up, and really this is not a very bulky backpack once you have it all in there and done. Now, another thing that's really nice about this one is that it has some very comfortable straps. So you can have them tucked into that where they're kind of out of the way. Oh, and I guess I should show that this actually has an opening back here. And you can put some more stuff back there. And look at the padding on this. This has a ton of padding for your back. It's got like this thick foam in here. You can kind of see it through the mesh. It's kind of like a Swiss cheese, reduce the weight, but give you a really nice padding. These here, really nice padding, really thick. The shoulders, really nice padding all around. You also do have a handle here on the side you can carry it. Then you have this little pocket here, which I would probably use more for like a tripod. Or maybe an umbrella, whatever you prefer. But if you're looking for a really high-end, really comfortable travel bag, it's also got all these clips to hold it on. You got clips down here at the sides. You got these down here at the sides to hold it on as well. Overall, this is just a really nice bag. Probably the nicest travel bag I have ever used. But if you're looking for something for either overnight, traveling on airlines and stuff, this one is TSA approved. It's got a vacuum system in it, comes with a vacuum, and overall it's just really high quality. It's waterproof, very, very comfortable, and it holds a lot of stuff. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.